Good morning, dear students. Once again, welcome to our English class. So, dear students, in previous period, we have talked about the pronouns and the various types of pronouns. Okay, and I hope you have watched the video and you have come to know about all the types of pronouns and the use of them. Okay, now on the basis of that knowledge, let's do this activity from 32 of your English textbooks. So please open page number 32. Alright. So dear friends, on page number 32, here what we have to do, the activity is that A. Encircle the pronouns in these sentences. Now dear students, we have studied about the subjective pronoun, the objective pronoun, the demonstrative pronoun, possessive pronoun. Okay. So now let's find out the pronouns from these sentences and we have to circle them. Okay, हमको उनको circle करना है. Let's do it. These are easy sums. Okay. So in this sentence, dear friend, what is the pronoun? The demonstrative pronoun. Okay, these is the demonstrative pronoun. Are easy sums. I can do them. I is the subject, subjective pronoun, and do them. Okay, them किसके लिए आया है? The sums के लिए. Can you do them? You is the again pronoun here and them is again pronoun. Okay, so number 2, I told you that was my pencil. So here I is the subjective pronoun, told you is the objective pronoun. That here is not the pronoun, it is the conjunction here. That was my pencil. Okay, so dear students, here in sentence number 2, my is not the pronoun. Okay, it is a possessive form, it's not pronoun. Please give it. It is used for the pencil pronoun. To me, it's a possessive objective pronoun. Okay, look, this is yours. Okay, so this is yours, yours is the possessive pronoun. All right. Now let's do next. Number 3. Rita is in my class. Okay. So she and I. So she is the subjective pronoun and I is the. Our great friends. We is the subjective pronoun here. Sit next to each other. All right. So then Ravi is also in class 4. He is for the Ravi. So pronoun is Rita's twin brother. We are friends. So then he and we is the subject. I love pineapples. I is the subjective pronoun. Look at those on the card. Alright, those, demonstrative pronoun. They look, they is the subjective pronoun. They look ripe and must be delicious. Wow. Number 5, the ducks are walking down to the pond. They comes for the ducks. Okay, they have a brood of ducklings waddling along after them. Okay, after them. So this is the objective pronoun. So alright dear students, so here we have got the pronouns these, I, them, you, them, I, you, then it, me, yours, she, I, we, he, we, I, those, they, them and they. All these are the pronouns used in these examples. Now let's do the next activity. So number B, which noun does each of the underlined pronouns replace? Okay, as we know dear students, pronouns nouns की जगह पर यूज होते हैं. तो अब हम देखेंगे कि pronouns यूज जो आए हैं वो किस noun की जगह पर आए. So the first one has been done for you. आपके लिए एक पहले से ही करके दिया हुआ है. आंसर इसका ऑलरेडी इज गिवन. लेट्स सी. मम्मी से आर यू रेडी टू गो टू स्कूल मिनी. सो दिस यू स्टैंड्स फॉर मिनी. ओके, नाउ मिनी कहती है आई डोंट नो वेयर माई हिंदी टेक्स्ट बुक इज. सो दिस आई इज यूज फॉर मिनी. ऑलराइट. ओके, देन Mama said, यू मस्ट हैव लेफ्ट ईट ऑन योर स्टडी टेबल. ईट आपने रखी होंगी, इसको रखी होंगी, किसको? हिंदी टेक्स्ट बुक को, मीन्स बुक को. ओके, तो दिस ईट फॉर बुक. देन मीनिंग, नो आई थिंक हरी हैज़ टेकन इट, ही लव्स टू टीज मी. ही, ओके, तो हरी, हरी के लिए आया है ही, तो ही स्टैंड्स फॉर हरी. ओके, हरी सेड डोंट ब्लेम मी. तो ये मी किसके लिए आया है? डोंट ब्लेम मी, मतलब मी इसने, हरी ने अपने खुद के लिए यूज़ किया है. ओके, आई डोंट नो वेयर इट इज़. ओ, इज दैट योर बुक? इज दैट योर बुक? ओके, सो डैडी से, ये तो दैट, ये किसके लिए आया है? बुक के लिए आया. ओके, देन मिनी सेड नो दैट इज नॉट माई बुक, माइन हैड अ रेड कवर. माइन फॉर व्हाट? मतलब मेरी क्या है? मेरी बुक, मतलब मिनीज बुक. माइन मीन्स मिनीज बुक. ओके, मम्मी लुक इन योर बैग, इट मस्ट बी देयर. इट मीन्स बुक मस्ट बी देयर. ओके, and then me said, oh mummy I see it is in the puppy's basket. तो ये पहला आई आया मिनी के लिए, एंड सेकंड इट इज इन द पपीज बास्केट, इट आया है बुक के लिए. ओके, सो इन दिस वे डियर स्टूडेंट्स वी कैन इजीली रिप्लेस नाउन्स, ओके, एंड प्रोनाउन. तो इससे हमें ये समझ में आया कि किस नाउन की जगह पर कौन सा प्रोनाउंस यूज होता है, एंड ये हमें पता होना बहुत ज़रूरी है. ओके, unless we know the nouns and their pronouns correctly, we can't replace and we can't use the correct pronoun. Okay, alright dear students, now let's do the next activity. Go one step forward. We have already talked in video and in previous period about the personal pronouns. Okay, already we have talked about the subjective pronouns which are used like subject, I, you, he, she, it, and we and they are the subjective pronoun. Objective pronouns, then me, you, her, him, it, and them, us are the objective pronoun. Then possessive pronouns we have talked, mine, yours, hers, his, theirs, ours. Okay, and then we have already talked about demonstrative pronouns as well, this, that, these, and those. All right, and we have used also. So in English grammar dear students, there are three persons, there is first person, second person, and third person. Okay, so a subject pronoun is used as the subject of sentence. He, I, you, he, she, it, we, they, ये सभी subjective pronouns हैं. And an objective pronoun is used as the object of a sentence. मतलब ये verb के बाद में ये pronouns का use होता है. Okay, तो हमने वीडियो में ऑलरेडी देख चुके हैं कि व्हाट इज सब्जेक्टिव प्रोनाउन एंड ऑब्जेक्टिव प्रोनाउन. सो लेट्स डू दिस एक्टिविटी फ्रॉम पेज नंबर 33. हियर इनसर्कल द करेक्ट प्रोनाउंस इन द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंसेस. ओके, इसमें से हमको प्रॉपरली सब्जेक्टिव प्रोनाउंस जो कि सेंटेंस के शुरुआत में आते हैं. ओके, तो वी हैव 7 सब्जेक्टिव प्रोनाउंस, आई, यू, ही, शी, इट, वी, दे. ओके, and objective pronouns comes after the verb. Let's find out. Number 1, correct pronoun use करना है हमको. Encircle the correct pronouns in the following sentences. Number 1, I और me, ये दो pronouns हैं, हमें correct use करना है. Study in big school. So what will be here? So the correct option is I study in a big school. He gave the book to. उसने book दिया किसे? मुझे, I नहीं. Okay, so because it is subjective pronoun and me is the objective pronoun. She, her is my brother's classmate. Dear students, यहाँ पे हमें अगर subjective pronoun और objective pronoun समझ में आता है तो we can do it easily. तो she is the subjective pronoun. She is my brother's classmate. This is her bag. Please give it to her. तो हमें समझना होगा कि subjective pronouns कौन से हैं and which are the objective pronouns. He is an Indian boy. Okay, sentence always starts with the noun or pronoun and those pronouns are subjective pronouns. They are going home. Okay, because अगर हम him लेते, them लेते हैं तो ये objective pronoun होते हैं और ये हमेशा verb के बाद में आना चाहिए. Are my neighbor, you are my neighbor. after I have read the book, I will give it to you. Okay, so in this way, dear students, we have completed the exercise of objective pronoun and subjective pronoun. All right, now let's do, we have already seen possessive forms of the pronoun. Okay, possessive pronouns. So possessive forms are not pronouns actually, they cannot be used by themselves, वो खुद यूज नहीं होते हैं. ओके, so they are placed before nouns, but about this use of pronouns we will see in the next period. Okay dear students, so I hope you have understood the subjective pronoun, the objective pronoun and the use of pronouns. Okay, so please do it, this activity into your textbook and in your notebook as well and learn well. डियर स्टूडेंट, जितना आप प्रैक्टिस करोगे प्रोनाउंस की या किसी भी चीज़ की, आपको उतना ही ज़्यादा समझेगा. ओके, सो डू स्टडी वेल एंड प्रैक्टिस एट होम. थैंक यू एंड सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट पीरियड. गुड डे.